Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, May 28, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is not closed. I have to bug out of here right at 1 o'clock, and so I am giving this wrap-up about 15 minutes early. I think I can do that. You know, we've been having just a spectacular May. It seems like every day we make some money, and we've had some really big up days. Well, sooner or later, when you get that kind of run, you're going to have a bad day. And today, unfortunately, looks like, at least so far, it's a bad day for us. This pattern that we saw today reminds me a lot of what I saw last year. That is, the market opens up extremely strong, but all the movement takes place in the first 15-30 minutes of the day. And that's exactly what happened today. The Dow was up, it was up over 150, I don't know exactly, maybe 170 or so at one point early on in the day, and then it starts filling the gap. It starts, the profit taking comes in, and it starts selling off. And what happens when we get into that kind of a pattern is we buy right at the beginning of the day. We get in at the very tip top on everything, and then it pulls back. And today, you know, we had a kind of a narrow range down day on Friday. We were absolutely flat coming in, so nothing that we had coming in was going to make a lot of money today because we didn't have anything. And then we bought 30 some markets today right at the tip top. The market fades a little, traders fade it, do profit taking, and we see some very large losses. As I'm talking to you, we are down about $11,000. That is a huge improvement from earlier. At one time, we were down almost 25,000. So the market is trying to do a little something out. But when I look at the charts, we'll look at the latest update. As I say, the market isn't quite closed yet. My experience is these bad days usually don't get better, but you know, we can pray. We don't know. You know, we have another day like today, tomorrow, you know, we'll still make some money. But it's pretty unusual for the market to do the kind of activity, the kinds of things it did today, 2 days in a row. But we'll just have to see. Anyway, I'll show you some charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and you can see what happened. We come in today, this market just absolutely took off, and right up about here, that's when we start buying, and we bought some 30 some markets today, right up here, right at the tippy top. And of course, as soon as it starts pulling back, they're all going negative. Hey, one exception that makes me laugh: Tesla Motors this morning opens up over $100. First time in history for Tesla Motors, and I'm thinking, oh my God, we went in there and bought a pile at 103, and I thought we're dead for sure. And believe it or not, that held, and I think it's trading at about 106 right now. So we have a couple $1,000s in profit in Tesla Motors, but believe me, that was the only market that did that. The rest pretty much followed the Dow, and so we're really hurting. And right now, it looks like we're down about $12,000 right now, and we have 15 minutes to go. So I'll show you just one. Okay, this is CSIQ, and this has been a spectacular market for us. We have made tons of money in Canadian solar, but this morning we get this big gap up, and you know, we end up buying it right up here, and then it starts backing up. And there's nothing unusual about this price action, but it was, given our system and the way we trade, this really hurt us. I think we're down about $4,000 in CSIQ, Of course, things could change tomorrow. We can hope and pray and everything else. But as I say, my experience is these things do not get better. Anyway, so not a great day, but we're praying for a better day tomorrow. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will see you tomorrow on Wednesday.